Nvidia has continued to print higher prices. It's currently in the spotlight. Today, the 11th of August 2025, pre market session, down slightly by 1.29%. And then we have that it with some weakness or some pullback the pullback currently in place at the moment is expected to remain in place up till midday today, the 11th of August, and then after that is extrapolated that it will resume the uptrend and at various times, just cooling off slightly. So the strength is expected to remain in place up till Wednesday, the 20th of August. The uptrend is expected to remain in place up till then. We have a range of projections. Let's see what we have. It's currently at 180, 180.42, just cooled off from its all-time high. Yeah, cooled off from its all-time high. Is it? All-time high was actually okay, printed on the 20th of August, isn't it? Sorry, 20th of 30th of July, it seems. So we have projections. We have okay, beginning from the downward projections: 174.53, 175.89, 178.1. Upper projections: 186.27, 190.31, 192.81. So let's have a look and see what the buying pressure is indicating. Okay, strongly bullish, nothing, no weakness anywhere, no weakness anywhere. We could just quickly glance at the daily chart. Since it's only down by 1% or thereabout, I think we can still rely on what's going on here. The daily chart is not active at the moment because the market hasn't opened. So the extrapolation is saying that it's just going to attempt, it's going to roll over. That is what it's saying. It's going to roll over from today, if you like. It may begin to roll over. So in today's trading session, it's just going to be sideways movement between today and tomorrow, the 12th. And then after that, weakness up till Thursday. And then from Thursday, the uptrend will resume. But it doesn't, it looks like a divergence between what we have here and what we have on the 4 hour chart. But somehow you could still make a case that the 4 hour chart may still align with the daily chart because the 4 hour chart is it trades it's if you like, how do I put it now, the 4 hour chart trades within the daily chart. So a lot of activity could still be done within the daily chart, but in the end, at the end of the closing session, what is extrapolated on the daily charts may occur. This is hypothetical, so it may not, it may not be the case. So I mean, since the point is that since it's a 4 hour chart, they may still a lot of things may still occur, and what is extrapolated on the daily chart may still get satisfied. So let's see. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Let's see. There's some readout here. Let's listen to what it has to say. Nvidia, NVDA, is making headlines after Chinese state media claimed the company's H20 AI chips pose security risks, a move that could threaten sales in one of Nvidia's most important overseas markets. The H20, a high performance chip tailored to comply with U.S. export restrictions, has been central to NVIDIA's China strategy, making any disruption in acceptance or regulatory approval a significant concern for future revenue. This development has sparked intense debate among investors and traders. Some see it as a temporary geopolitical headwind and potentially a buying opportunity if market overreaction pushes shares lower. Others warn it could be an early sign of deeper issues, including rising resistance from Chinese regulators, retaliatory measures in the ongoing US China tech standoff, or a broader push to sideline foreign chipmakers in favor of domestic suppliers. At the same time, speculation is growing over a possible US government
revenue sharing agreement, potentially tied to federal incentives, subsidies, or strategic technology programs. While such an arrangement could benefit NVIDIA through funding or contracts, it might also come with tighter oversight and limits on certain overseas sales, adding another layer of complexity to its global business strategy. For now, the market's focus is split between short term volatility and long term positioning. Bulls point to NVIDIA's unmatched AI leadership and global demand for its GPUs, while bears highlight valuation risks, over reliance on sensitive markets like China, and the potential for regulatory surprises on both sides of the Pacific. With earnings, policy shifts, and geopolitical developments all in play, traders are watching closely for signs of whether this is simply market noise or the start of a more challenging chapter for NVIDIA's growth story.
Okay, let's see whether we can replay and see how the level of accuracy, just a visual assessment of how accurate the stock responds to its extrapolation. So this will be the extrapolation. So we just want to see, we'll play back, go all the way back to June to see, just to see, just like as I indicated, just to see how accurate visual accuracy, a visual assessment of how accurate it responds to the extrapolations. So beginning from the 1st of June. Yeah, so far it's looking like I would say 90% so far, but it's not just only what happened now, what of previously. Okay, so far I think I'll give the accuracy 40%. Is it coming here? Yeah. Is it going to come here? Let's see. Yeah, it's coming there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I think I'll just give it a modest. I'm still maintaining 40%. Sometimes it's really impressive, but at other times not. This is late July. Let's see. No, here now I failed. So going to plot this one. Looking good so far. Looking good. No, failed. Okay, I'll just maybe give it 45%. No, failed. No, failed. I think I'm. Yeah, Okay, so yeah, so I think based on what we have seen, I think my opinion is 45% accuracy. Yeah. So let's see how things go, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.